In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to get started with greenclicks. This is a live demonstration, so no steps are cut out, just loading times. First, you go to the Hubspot apps marketplace. On the app page, you click on the orange button Install App, which takes you to this page or installation page. Here you can see that it is basically only a two-step process while I'm clicking some buttons in between. First, you install the Chrome extension, which also works with other browsers like Edge or Opera, for example. When the extension is installed, you go back to Hubspot and refresh the page. You're now going to see the new greenclicks icon in the navigation bar. Click on it and connect greenclicks with your Hubspot account. By the way, during this step, you register with greenclicks. You do not need an extra account. It is your Hubspot account. Since you are the person installing greenclicks in your company, you're automatically your company's administrator for greenclicks. So first things first, you choose your company's options. In this case, we choose to fund 3 trees for each deal we win. And also, no worries, you can change your options at any time. So this is it. Now for every deal someone in your company wins, you plant 3 trees. Let's take a look how this works. Let's go to our deals and take this deal 8 and move it into the 1 stage. Let's see what has happened. Rory, the deal owner, has just planted 3 trees. So greenclicks always refers to the deal owner. It does not matter who moves the deal into the 1 stage. So Rory just planted another 3 trees. We can also reverse this in case you've made a mistake. You just take the deal out of the 1 stage and 3 planted trees are deducted. This is everything for today. Thanks a lot for your attention.